Hi! In front of me is Oppo A96 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Oppo. Start by opening settings and choosing password and biometrics. Then click on add face and enter your current login method. After that, you need to read the disclaimer, choose continue and keep your face in frame. Now you need to adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, select home button. As you can see now, when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!